Right, well, good afternoon, folks. Welcome back to the channel. Today's little job is we recently pulled the air filter out and found it was full of oil. Picture that coming up right now. The air filter belongs in here, and I've just realised I'm going to need the spanner in a minute. But it just belongs in here. And yeah, that needs cleaning out first. So we'll just put that on the floor there. I'll just go get the scraper. And right, so today's plan is to sort this out and then I'm take the bus for a quick spin round. I've got some cleaning to put in as well. Put it closer. Remove the new air filter. So this is basically what was in the air filter. Anyway, as you can see, it's just, yeah, it's just crap and crud. Just make as much of it away as possible, and obviously get out as much as possible as you can. Because that there is the drainage hole. Make sure any shit falls out of it, and that's blocked. There we go, top on it. So my bus hasn't been able to breathe for quite a while. That is quite plainly obvious. The amount of shit that's in here. So that's the back wall there. Clean all this one. Which is this out like that. Might have to use a bit of water just to help things along here. That is still blocked up. Pornographic, that. Completely pornographic. So, what we've actually got is part of a fucking tree growing in the bottom of this. I think that is clean. However, all of this isn't. That needs to get as much of it off as possible. Otherwise, getting an air filter, which is what we've done, is completely pointless. And just get the brush. Much easier to get to sweep all this shit out. I don't have a better word to describe it because it is just shit. Quite enough to start a little plantation on the bottom here. Lots of again. So then you get little hole, nice look at this. Fast. Oh, there's still shit falling. Well, at least that can come out now. Use brush again, just to sweep out. And that's fine. Grab some out of our hands. The mud should not be here. Well, this is just general road wear and tear. Hasn't been emptied for God knows how long. And right, that looks really back. And just as you see, we've still got a layer of gunk around here. Just scrape that off as well. You've got to be careful because there is a rubber seal on it, so we don't want to damage the rubber seal. We do want all the crap off it. So you go that way because of that part of the blade missing. So you can see it all falling. You can tell that this part here was the bottom. Again, I'm not looking for perfection, but I am looking for improvement. So next is the proper air filter. Now look at that. And then I'll put this up and we'll compare it to the one next to it. So this goes in really easily. It is a proper one. So it does say man, but never mind. So just find the hole. Can't find the bloody hole. Onto there like that. So there should be a not on the floor, the inside there. Wider the thread all the way down. Eventually I'm going to run out of room in the air filter's a case of taking out the old one, getting a new one and replacing it. Obviously we've had to clean a bit out there. That's here or there. This doesn't need to be tight, it just needs to be to a point where it's not going to turn. It does say 4 turns after fit up, which it does on the back as well. So that's now not going to go anywhere. So we're going to get the back plate here, which has been it's been wiped down, let's put it that way. We'll get painted back into black eventually, as will the rest of the engine. So then that just fits on there like that, and then we take our old cuddy nut. Don't have a new 17-inch one, 17mm one. I don't keep saying inches. 17-inch nut would be a hell of a big nut, wouldn't it? Fucking hell. But just do this up. Do it up till it touches. So that's now touched, and we want to do 4 turns. Half a turn, 1 turn, 1.5, 2, 2.5, 3, 3.5, 4. So, yep. Just give it one. There we go. So that is one air filter replaced. Now, to see if it actually fucking works. But before I do, I've got one thing to do, which I'll carry you around. So we've got another dent in it there. So you can see, I'll do it from the back here. So we'll use the trusted button at the back. Chris put this on really well. Yeah, he has as well. And he even put it on loosely. So we're gonna bypass that. We'll see.
You can now find us on Facebook, YouTube, Patreon, Twitter and Instagram. Hashtag Mancbuses. Find us at mancbuses.com. Mancbuses, we're sorting scrap.